Hello guys and welcome to Manoeuvre Education. In today's video, we're going to talk about the NMIMS institution. And to get into this particular institution, you have to give an entrance exam called the NPAT examination. So how to proceed further with your preparation as well as balancing your 12th board preparation. Yes guys, because ये एक undergrad program है, so आप अपनी 12th as well as NPAT exams की preparation simultaneously कैसे balance कर सकते हो through self study part. यस गाइस, सेल्फ स्टडी बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करता है आपकी प्रिपरेशंस के लिए, बिकॉज गाइस आपको यहाँ पर कट ऑफ भी क्लियर करना है एंड NMIMS जो कि एक डीम्ड यूनिवर्सिटी है, इसमें एडमिशन लेने के लिए काफ़ी कंपटीशन भी है. सो यू हैव टू मेक श्योर कि आपकी प्रिपरेशंस बहुत अच्छी हो, आप अच्छा स्कोर करें, आप अपना कट ऑफ क्लियर करें और NMIMS में एक सीट अपने नाम करें. सो स्टे ट्यून इन दिस वीडियो बिकॉज वी गोना लुक एट सम बेस्ट सेल्फ स्टडी मटेरियल्स थ्रू विच you can score good and get a seat in NMIMS. But before we move on, we have already launched the batches for 2023 as well as 2024 अगर आप इन दोनों years के लिए preparations करना चाहते हो. So we have live classes and classroom sessions where you get books and ebooks, shortcut tips and tricks, doubt classes, recorded videos, topic wise test, full length and sectional mock test. You will be added to a WhatsApp group. You get 10,000 plus questions to solve. You get a proper mentorship. And as per the selection process criteria, you will be also guided for the VAT as well as the PI. You can always target for the IPMAT, NPAT, CET General, Christ Universities, and any other universities. If you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can visit our centers at Dadar, Borivali, and Vasai. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live class and online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455 or else you can visit the official website at www.manoeuvreedu.com for more information. Now let me take you straight to the official website of Manoeuvre Education and guide you how and where you can get your self-study materials. Alright, so this is the official website manoeuvreedu.com. Click on buy online, scroll down, click on BBA entrance. यहाँ आपको चार अलग अलग टैब्स मिल जाएंगे सेल्फ स्टडी पार्ट को लेकर. The first one is full course. Click on show package. The first program is for the NPAT and NMIMS 2023 examination. Click on view details. You get 391 video lectures, 67 handouts and 10 mock tests. आपका पूरा syllabus इसके अंदर covered हो जाएगा. If you think you only want to prepare through books, click on book study materials, click on show package. Scroll down. You get two different sets of package over here. The first one is for the hard copies. Click on view details. You get quantitative aptitude, English, reasoning, data interpretation, and general studies. To order this, simply click on add to cart and it will get delivered to you within 7 working days pan India level. Same way, if you want to prepare through ebooks, click on the second package, click on view details. Again, you get quantitative aptitude, reasoning, English, as well as general studies. If you think you are weak in a particular section and you want to work on it, click on sectional course, click on show packages. So here are the 5 different packages for your preparations. If you think you want to work on your English or verbal, click on the first package. Same way you can buy DI, DS, DC, GK and current affairs, quantitative aptitude as well as logical reasoning. If you haven't started off with your preparation, the best suggestion would be start with your first mock test because mock tests give you a proper idea as to how to proceed or how to start with your preparations. So click on mock test, click on show packages. Here you get the mock test package, click on view details. So you get 152 mock test. Buy the mock test. Start with your preparation, score good and secure a seat in NMIMS through NPAT. So once again guys, if you're Mumbai based looking for classroom coaching, you can visit our centers at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. If you're based outside Mumbai looking for live classes on online session, you can contact our number at 8828581455. As usual, do follow us on Telegram, Instagram, Facebook and don't forget to subscribe the YouTube channel for regular exam updates and notification. Till then, take care and prepare well.